Good morning, guys. Welcome to Wednesday. Okay, maths challenge, always exactly the same. Why don't we do it today a little bit back to front? Okay, so we've been starting every single day looking at the top. I thought today we're going to have a look down at the bottom. Now, remembering, guys, this is our 2 times table, so why don't we start by counting in twos? Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, guys, so we all know our 2 times table. This is our 2 times table, but it's all muddled up. This is what your 2 times table test would look like if we were to do it still. So let's do this, guys. Remember, I can use my material. Everybody's got material at home, or I can just use my 2 times table in my head. So today, let's push it a bit further. Let's have a look and let's try to use our 2 times table in our head. So what I would do is, first of all, start by writing down my 2 times table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Remembering, guys, that this would be exactly the same, okay? It would be 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, and then we all go all the way around, okay? So if you want to move on doing it that way, there is no problem. Otherwise, we're going to continue with our material today. So 1 times 2. Again, guys, we're looking at the 2 times table. And one group of 2 gives me 2. Okay? Exactly the same on the other side. 5 times 2. Again, I can count in twos, okay, on my fingers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5 groups of 2. Or I can do 5 groups of 2s with pencils. I have one group, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2. Okay, I then have to count them all together. I put them together and I count. In twos, please. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2, well, here I have 5 groups of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let me get another group. 6 times 2. Okay, 6 times 2, let's count in twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And my last one, guys, 4 groups of 2. Let's count 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't need these. Okay, again, I put them together. I count in twos, please. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8. Let's quickly do the other side. Okay, remembering this division here is basically a nice way for sharing it, okay, into 2 groups. So I've got here 2, and I'm going to share it into 2 groups. 1 group, 2 groups. Guys, what is my answer? 1. Exactly the same on the other side. I need 10, so I've got here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, and I'm going to share them into 2 groups. Okay. Okay, how many do I have in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 divided into 2 groups is 5. I'm going to do one more with you, and then you're going to be doing that one by yourself. So 12, if I hit, I have 10, 10, 11, 12. Let's put them again into 2 groups. Okay, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here I have got, just underneath my knee, 6. Now, guys, this one I'm sure you can try at home. Pick up 16 pencils, 16 toys, anything you do want to pick up, and put it into 2 groups and try for yourselves. Now, the addition and the subtractions, we have got amazingly good at these, especially after doing them for so long all together. So, the first one. Okay, I put 3 in my head and 2 fingers up. 3, 4, 5. Exactly the same with the tens column. I put the biggest number in my head, which is number 4, and I put up 1 finger. Okay, 4, 5. Who can read this number for me? How many tens do I have? 5. How many units? 5. 55. Let's do it in the other way. Okay, so here this time I've got 43. Take away 12. First thing I need to do is to put my arrow, which reminds me, yes, that this number here is the one that needs to go into my head. So I put 2 in my head and I'm counting up to 3. 2, 3 gives me 1. Okay, again, I put 1 in my head and I'm counting to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have 3. And then the 2 which are slightly more tricky. Okay guys, let's have a go and let's do these ones together. Let's move my board a bit over here. Okay, again, because it's an addition, I'm looking at the biggest number. Which is the biggest one out of both of them? The 8. So I put 8 in my head and 3 fingers up. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, over here, 7 in my head, 3 fingers up, and of course my extra one for the magic 1. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, what is my number? 111. Exactly the same, but this time a takeaway. The first thing I have to do is my arrow. Fantastic. Which means that I put 8 in my head and I count up to 3. Can I do this? No. And we know we can't do this because 3 comes before the number 8. So 8 up to 3 we can't do. I add my magic ones. Add a magic 1. This is now a 13, and because I put 1 here, I have to give 1 to the baby. 3 and an extra 1 is 4. So I cross him out and I put its new name somewhere next to it so I don't forget. 8 in my head and I'm counting up to 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I've got 5. Over to the same. Remember, it's now not called 3, it's now called 4. So 4 in my head and I'm counting up to 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. And I've got 3. Now guys, if you want to please have a go and do this on a piece of paper for me, okay, it would be wonderful to see you try. Remember that the multiplications, you can do them with or without the material, and we have not done this one on purpose because I would like you to have a go by yourselves. Okay, have a fantastic time and I will see you later on for more symmetry.